In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. In practice, the way to remove a workspace from your Asana experience is to leave it, which revokes your access and takes it out of your sidebar. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, and along the way, I'll point out what to expect so you feel confident before you confirm the change. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This puts you in a neutral place where the account controls are easy to reach. Look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon. It's the small circle with your avatar or initials. Click that to open your personal menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a window with several tabs for personal preferences and account management. Inside this window, click the Account tab. This is where Asana groups options that affect your overall access, including leaving a workspace. In the Account tab, scroll until you find the section labeled Remove Me from my workspace. This section is designed specifically for stepping out of a workspace you no longer need. Before you proceed, take a moment to double check you're targeting the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. Leaving one workspace won't affect your access to others, but it's worth confirming you're making changes to the right place. When you're ready, click Remove Me from this workspace. Asana will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is your final checkpoint to review the impact. After you remove yourself, you'll immediately lose access to projects, tasks, messages, and files in that workspace. Your teammates will still see any tasks you created or contributed to. Those items stay with the workspace rather than following your account. To finalize, click Remove. The workspace will disappear from your sidebar and recent views, and you'll be returned to your remaining Asana spaces. If you had the workspace open in a tab, refresh it to see the change reflected. A few tips before you finish up. If you're responsible for any ongoing projects or automations in that workspace, consider handing them off to a teammate ahead of time so work isn't disrupted. If there's information you might need later, export or document it before you leave. And if you were the primary point of contact, let the team know you're stepping out so ownership is clear. That's it. You've successfully removed yourself from the workspace, effectively clearing it from your Asana environment. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along while you click.